Our joint stock company for the production of medicines in Yekaterinburg has been producing pharmaceuticals for 20 years. We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a chief engineer for 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment, which meets GMP requirements and standards, a unit for dehydration of water solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and devices. 5 months ago, the management of the company decided to expand the sales market and deliver its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. In order to enter the Baltic market, our company planned to start producing cold medicine powder. In order to increase production, it was necessary to buy a new, modern granulator, which would provide a capacity of the powder not less than 60 kilograms per day. The choice of the granulator was entrusted to me. I wanted to complete the task as quickly as possible in order to be able to work on another problem that suddenly arose in the powders for pellets production area. A breakdown of this equipment meant a work stoppage in the entire site, which I could not allow to happen. So I started looking for a peltizer, and I thought I would find the necessary equipment right away. First, I compared peltizer manufacturers in Europe and China. I conducted my search by the internet. I chose by location, delivery time, and price category. Among the quality manufacturers in Europe, I found 3 companies that offered good machines, but asked for a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen peltizer, and would send me to search again, because of the high cost. Then I looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing a peltizer on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet, I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China, 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. Of great importance in choosing a specialist was the length of time they had been working in the market for the supply of pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of the prices. First, I called a Chinese mediator. His price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery, and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who would supply me with a quality peltizer and would not delay the delivery of equipment. The last option of intermediaries I decided to check thoroughly. I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity, read the reviews of buyers of this company. In the list of companies under liquidation, the company was listed, and I found only positive reviews. I have checked the website of the company. I liked it, modern, structured, with a lot of videos. Having called the manager, I received a good advice on the desired equipment. The specialist offered me my requirements for dry granulation of powder, and sent me a detailed instruction by email, where I could study the possibilities and characteristics of the machine. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later we concluded a contract for the delivery of a dry powder granulator. Before shipping the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine in action. In the video, rotating rollers press the powder, press it into plates, which the machine automatically peels off and crushes into pellets. An automatic hydraulic system is used to create the pressure. I realized that I made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. Real professionals pay attention to detail, and I was lucky to find such a person when choosing equipment.